Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best mess-free coloring is probably one of the most exciting innovations for parents and toddlers alike. Gone are the days of crayon marks on walls and stained furniture. This video dives into the wonderful world of mess-free coloring, exploring how these innovative products allow your little ones to unleash their creativity without the usual chaos. We'll explore the different types available, from magic markers to special paper, and how they can transform your home into a creative haven. Number 5. Crayola Baby Shark Color Wonder Pages. Introducing the Crayola Baby Shark Color Wonder Set. It comes with 18 mess-free coloring pages and 5 Color Wonder markers. This set is perfect for little ones. The magic of this set is that the markers only work on the special Color Wonder paper. That means no marks on skin, clothes, or furniture. It's a parent's dream. The folder-style packaging is great for storage and travel. You can easily keep everything organized, and it's perfect for on-the-go fun. Take it with you anywhere. This set is compatible with all Color Wonder paints, markers, and stamps. Expand your child's creativity with other Color Wonder products. The possibilities are endless. Looking for a gift? This is ideal for toddlers and Baby Shark fans aged 3 and up. Pair it with other Baby Shark toys for an extra special present. They will love it. Color in your favorite Baby Shark characters. Brooklyn Baby Shark, William, Mommy Shark, Daddy Shark, and more are all here. Let the coloring adventure begin. What we like? This set features beloved Baby Shark characters, making coloring even more fun for little fans. The folder-style packaging is perfect for travel, keeping everything organized and contained. If your child loves Baby Shark and you're looking for a mess-free activity for on-the-go entertainment, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The special Color Wonder markers only work on the included pages, so no marker stains on hands, clothes, tables, or anything else. The markers don't dry out easily and the coloring pages are high quality and fun to look at when finished. You get 5 markers that only write on the special Color Wonder paper and a great selection of medium-size images on standard 8.5 by 11 inches paper featuring Bluey. Number 4. Crayola Frozen Color Wonder Coloring Set. Introducing the Crayola Color Wonder Coloring Set. This set includes 18 frozen coloring pages and 5 Color Wonder markers. It's perfect for young artists. Say goodbye to messy coloring. The colors only appear on the special Color Wonder paper. This means no marks on skin, clothes, or carpets. This set features your favorite Frozen characters. Kids will love coloring Anna, Elsa, and their friends. It's a fun way to bring the magic of Frozen to life. The folder-style packaging is great for storage and travel. You can easily keep the coloring pages and markers organized. It's perfect for on-the-go fun. This set works with all Color Wonder paints, markers, and stamps. You can expand the fun with other Color Wonder products. It offers endless creative possibilities. Looking for a great gift? This Color Wonder set is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or just because. It's a safe, non-toxic, and fun activity for kids aged 3 and up. What we like? Featuring characters from the hit movie Frozen, this set sparks creativity with familiar faces. The mess-free aspect ensures that the fun stays on the paper and off surfaces. If your child is a Frozen fan and you prioritize a safe and clean coloring experience, this set is ideal. What people say? It helps with fine motor skills, enhances imagination, and allows for creativity. It was easy to use, fun for everyone and a great distraction while flying, at the hotel and waiting for our food at restaurants. No mess. Number 3. Crayola Color Wonder Mess-Free Coloring Activity Set. Introducing the Crayola Color Wonder Activity Set. It comes with everything your child needs for mess-free coloring fun. This set is perfect for sparking creativity. Say goodbye to messy coloring. The special ink only appears on the Color Wonder paper. This means no marks on skin, clothes, or furniture. Take the fun anywhere. The convenient carrying case makes it easy to color on the go. Whether it's a road trip or at home, it keeps them entertained. Looking for a great gift? This Color Wonder set is perfect for birthdays or holidays. It's a gift that encourages creativity. This set is safe and non-toxic, ideal for children ages 3 and up. You can feel good about letting them explore their artistic side. It's a worry-free way to let them create. What we like. This activity set comes with markers, stamps, and stickers, offering a variety of creative options. The included carrying case makes it easy to take the fun anywhere. If you're looking for a comprehensive coloring kit that provides multiple activities and portability, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It helps with fine motor skills, enhances imagination, and allows for creativity. No mess. These mess-free coloring sheets are my 5-year-old and 3-year-old kids' favorite coloring sheets. They find these much more fun and these last them much longer because they get to pick the colors versus others where the color is predestined by the page. Number 2. Crayola Color Wonder Mess-Free Coloring Pad. Refill your Color Wonder collection with this convenient pad. It includes 30 mess-free coloring pages. Please note that markers and paints are sold separately. These special markers only work on the specially formulated Color Wonder paper. This means no marks on skin, clothes, or furniture. It's a parent's dream. Give your child some practice with these vibrant, mess-free markers. It's a great way to introduce them to coloring before using washable markers. They'll love it. This refill pad is compatible with all Color Wonder markers, paints, and stamps. It's designed to work seamlessly with the rest of the collection, offering endless creative possibilities. This product is safe and non-toxic, making it a great gift for kids aged 3 and up. It provides hours of creative fun without any worries. It's perfect for young artists. What we like. This refill pad provides 30 blank pages to extend the coloring fun. The mess-free technology ensures that the color stays where it should. If you have existing Color Wonder markers and are looking to replenish your paper supply, this refill pad is a must-have. What people say. When he drew on the paper, it only showed up on the paper and vibrantly at that. Other bonuses included no messy hands or clothes afterwards. It handles layers of colors well and is durable paper. Number 1. Crayola Color Wonder ADPC Coloring Kit for Toddlers. Introducing a coloring set that's perfect for little artists. This kit includes everything they need for creative fun without the mess. It's designed to keep your home and clothes clean. Inside, you'll discover Color Wonder pads and a variety of markers. These special markers only work on the included paper, ensuring no accidental marks on other surfaces. This set provides hours of creative fun. Unlike regular markers, these won't stain skin, furniture, or clothing. This means less stress for parents and more fun for kids. It's the perfect solution for worry-free coloring. This set is a great starting point or a refill for existing Color Wonder collections. All the Color Wonder products work together seamlessly. You can easily grow their art supplies. See the colors magically appear on the special paper. It's a fun and engaging experience for children. They'll love watching their artwork come to life. These markers are safe and non-toxic, making them ideal for toddlers aged 3 and up. You can feel confident letting them explore their creativity. It's a safe and enjoyable way to encourage artistic expression. What we like. This kit includes 2 pads and 2 sets of markers, providing a great value and a wide range of colors. The Color Wonder system allows you to expand your collection with other products. If you're looking for a starter set or a way to expand your existing Color Wonder collection, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The markers only work on the special paper. The ink is clear, so it only shows up on the special paper. The paper is thick and the markers don't bleed through. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.